Good day everyone. I am Rodney Magabang, BCA3. So this is my presentation in industrial electronics. Topic is photoemissive device. What is photoemissive? So it is the release of electrons from a usually solid material such as a metal by means of energy supplied by incident of radiation, especially light. So ang photoemissive is like it can create energy or electric energy using light. So photoemissive detector. So a photoemissive emission refers to a process in which the absorption of photons by sample of materials results in injection of electrons. If the electrons can be captured, this process can be used to detect light. Photoemissive detector use electric or magnetic field or both to accelerate the ejected electrons into an amplifier. At the amplifier output, the photon stream can be detected as the current or even as an individual particle. These detectors are capable of very high time resolution up to 10 to 9 seconds even with sensitive areas several centimeters in diameter. They can also provide excellent spatial resolution either with electronic iodine or by displaying amplified version of input light spattered on their output screen. They have moderately good quantum efficiency of 10 to 40% in the visible and near infrared. In some cases, significantly higher values apply in the ultraviolet. They are unmatched in sensitivity at room temperature or with modest cooling, leading to many important applications. In addition, they provide unequal performance in the ultraviolet. They can be readily manufactured with 106 or more pixels. If the photon's arrival rate is low enough that they can distinguish individual photons, the detectors are extremely linear. So the general descriptions of photoemissive detector. So basically a vacuum tube analog of a photodiode. In fact, the same form of such a detector as is a vacuum photodiode. So next is the photoemissive cell. So first is what is photoemissive cell. So it's used for emitting photoelectrons when light strikes on the electrodes. It converts light energy to electric energy. So next we will discuss the parts of a photoemissive cell. So first is the and now we have the evacuated tube in which we have the vacuum. So the evacuated tube is the outer layer of photoemissives. So next is the cathode. The cathode is the one who can absorb light. So next is the anode. It is a wire type. So kanang nakatindog na ang anode. So next is kanang upat ka silbi wire sa ubos kay mo na ang naka-attach siya sa evacuated tube. Siya mo convert or magpadala siya ang mo dala sa energy o light energy para makapadulong sa source o para maka-create sa electric energy. So what will happen when the light strike on the cathode? Then the photo electron will produce and they will move forward to the anode. These photoelectrons will create the current in the circuit and which current will be used in the circuit. So muna ang lights muna ang strike sa cathode which can create photoelectrons ug mag-catch sa current. So next is so muna ang photoelectrons kanang sa tunga silbi kaniyo. Mao ning photoelectrons kani morning lights nga gabangga sa cathode. Muna siya, then ga-absorb ang cathode, then magpaingon din sa honey ana mga 4 na sila upat, then ma-convert na din na siya og energy. So that's all. Thank you and God bless to everyone. Salamat.